Yeah, on a day like today, there is really no place better than being up in the sky. Okay, whoa! F***ing hell.
Clear, bro. Well, hello and welcome to the amazing Western Airfield here in Northamptonshire, where we're about to take a flight back to Gamston in Lima Bravo. I'd also like to say a huge welcome to my new channel sponsor, Flying Eyes. More about them later in the video, but for now, it's a wonderful day, so let's go flying.
Clear, bro.
To Western Radio, good morning. Again, Golf Alpha Lima Bravo. Request radio check and airfield information. 1 POB VFR back to Gamston.
Lima Bravo, Roger, readability 5, taxiing initially to hold at Bravo. It will be a 27 departure and the QNH is 1023.
Hold at Bravo, runway 27 departure, QNH 1023, Golf Lima Bravo.
And Golf Alpha Lima Bravo, when you're ready, you're okay to enter backtrack the grass taxiway to Charlie.
When ready, enter and backtrack using the grass taxiway to Charlie, Golf Lima Bravo. And Golf Lima Bravo entering the grass taxiway to backtrack.
Roger.
I had a wonderful time here at Western today. I had a lovely sausage sandwich for my breakfast here. Just taxiing out now, heading back up to Gamston. It's a lovely little airfield, by the way. Check out my previous video if you've not seen it already of how I got down here, and met up with a YouTube celebrity while I was here as well, which I wasn't expecting, but that was pretty cool as well. I'll probably link sort of up there on the screen. But meantime, we're just taxiing down to get out of here at Western and head back up to Gamston. Flight time today, around about 55 minutes. And Golf Lima Bravo holding short at Charlie, ready for departure.
Roger, the runway's vacant, service wind 320 degrees 11 knots.
And Golf Lima Bravo taking off runway 27. Feet to the floor, power set. And let's roll. T's and P's. All ought to be green, airspeed is alive. Golf Lima Bravo departing to the north, changing to East Midlands 134.180.
Okay, have a nice trip home, bye-bye.
Thank you. Right, so heading back home now from Western back up to Gamston. A lovely little visit down there. It's a lovely little airfield. It's the second most visited airfield in the UK actually. One that I've never actually been to before. I've driven past it countless times on the A43, but I've never actually been in, and I've certainly never flown there. So a lovely little trip down. They've got a nice little cafe as well. They do a lovely breakfast with a view over the airport and stuff. So yeah, really nice. Heading back home now. We've got about 45 minutes left to run now. We've just left Western behind. Overhead, we're just coming up towards Daventry now. We'll be home in about 45 minutes, which is pretty nice. Route will take us, well, I'm going to head to the east, I think, so I go around East Midlands Airport's zone. I would talk to East Midlands, but I don't really want a zone transit. I'm going to sort of go around it so that it's a little bit easier and I don't have to keep faffing about with my height going up and down. So yeah, beautiful day. It's cleared up nicely today. Yesterday it was terrible weather, and today it's really, really nice. So yeah, let's head home in trusty old Lima Bravo. Let's have a listen to East Midlands ATIS. Grab their QNH.
East Midlands information. Acknowledge receipt of information. Charlie, time 1152, runway in use 27. Transition level, flight level 70, surface wind 250, 15 knots, visibility 10 kilometer or more, fuel 2,100 feet, temperature +10, dew point +5, QNH 1023. Ground is closed.
Okay, that's not bad. So, a few clouds at 2,100 feet up east mids. QNH 1023, 1023. We're good. We're all set. 4,000 feet. We are good. We good. Oh, what's that down there?
My apologies, you're
All throp down there?
There's a couple of primary contacts left 11 o'clock, range of 3 and 5 miles.
All throp house, that's where Diana's buried, I believe, on that little island in the middle of that lake.
Traffic, Strawberry's active and traffic service. Genesis Foxtrot.
Genesis Foxtrot, are you looking for a vehicle?
Beautiful place. Hello, Diana.
Hey, yeah, VFR join.
I'd like to say thank you to Flying Eyes, by the way, for sending me these amazing shades that I've got on today. Really cool. They're really cool, actually. They're made of a very light material. They just kind of sit underneath your headset. So with my other glasses, they kind of dig in quite a lot, and it means that you don't get the entire seal of the kind of headset as well. So it's nice to be able to wear my headset with these underneath it. And at this time of year as well in the UK, well, it's pretty much, you know, we don't get to see the sun very often here, but at this time of year it's very low in the sky, so when you're flying and it's like straight in your face like it was on the way down, these things are just absolutely invaluable. So yeah, thank you, Flying Eyes. Check them out, the link in the description.
Firebird 335, descent altitude 2,000 feet, cleared ILS approach, runway 27.
Descent 2,000 feet, cleared ILS, runway 27. Firebird 335.
Broadwood 25 Papa.
Firebird.
Clears you on track.
747 400 as well, what that is. Probably cargo, I'd imagine.
Cleared on track Connolly,
Going into East Midlands.
level 90, Broadwood 25 Papa.
East Midlands, good morning, you're down 6892, descending flight level 100, direct flight like 757 with Charlie.
You're down 6892, East Midlands radar, Charlie is current, vectoring ILS approach, runway 27, flying now, heading 360 degrees. 61 Tango, you've got further traffic in your left 11 o'clock, crossing left to right, indicating 3,500 feet, range of 4 miles.
Contact that one, man, during 61 Tango.
61 Tango, previously mentioned traffic, left 11 o'clock, opposite direction, 3 miles, 2,900 feet, and a primary contact in your left 11 o'clock, 1 mile opposite direction, no high information.
During 61 Tango.
500 feet above. 600 feet above now. There we go, he's fine. That's interesting. It's showing up with a military sort of icon, but it's a
November 5 Lima Lima.
November 5 Lima Lima, East Midlands, good afternoon, flash message.
I don't see him at all.
November 5 Lima Lima, QNH is 1023, report your altitude.
Oh, there he is, got him. Got him, he's fine.
November 5 Lima Lima, roger. You're identified, traffic service with reduced traffic information due to radar suppression.
Traffic service with reduced notification.
Yes, I got him.
Lima, be advised, Leicester Airfield are extremely busy, many contacts in the overhead, north and south.
Copy 5 Lima Lima.
Student Golf Bravo, East Midlands radar, Student Golf Bravo Alpha, uniform request, basic service.
Golf Bravo approach for uniform East Midlands, good afternoon. Squawk 4571, basic service, QNH 1023.
Squawk 4571, basic service, QNH 1023, Golf X-ray uniform.
November 5 Lima Lima, traffic in your immediate 12 o'clock by a mile, reciprocal track, similar height.
Copy 5 Lima Lima.
Endurance 61 Tango, fly heading 355. Endurance 61 Tango, vectors for the ILS runway 27, you are number 2. You got approximately 1 to 5 miles from touchdown.
Endurance 61 Tango.
Yeah, on a day like today, there is really no place better than being up in the sky. It's just incredible, like, I just love it so much, and I love that I get to do this, you know, and I get to come here and just, you know, it's been a bit crap lately, not been having too much fun outside of this, and it's just kind of nice to be able to just get back in the plane and get back in the sky. There's a plane up there, quite a lot higher though. Yeah, it's just nice to get back in the plane, back in the sky, and in Lima Bravo as well, which is one of my favourite planes here at Gamston. What is that? Okie dokie, there's Newark on the news, which means we'll be calling up in a minute to say hello again to Gamston.
Gamston, radio, Student Golf Bravo, November Golf Tango, inbound for the south, requesting airfield information.
Student Golf Bravo, November Golf Tango, Gamston radio, hello, pass your message.
Student Golf Bravo, November Golf Tango, requesting airfield information to land.
Golf Tango, roger, the runway news 2 on, right hand circuit, and QFE 1020.
Runway news 21, right hand circuit, QFE 1020, Golf Golf Tango.
Gamston Radio, hello again, Golf Golf Alpha Lima Bravo.
Golf Golf Alpha Lima Bravo, Gamston radio, hello again, pass your message.
Golf Golf Alpha Lima Bravo, PA28 inbound, presently overhead Newark 3,000 feet, request running and landing information.
Lima Bravo, roger, the runway news 2 on, right hand circuit, and QFE 1020.
Runway news 21, right hand circuit, QFE 1020, Golf Lima Bravo.
Gamston, Golf Alpha.
Hello in the A1, there's the airfield in the 12 o'clock. Oh, it sounds like it might be a little bit breezy down there. I'm sure he said gusting to 22 knots, but it is pretty much straight down the runway, so a little bit breezy. Could be a slight crosswind, I imagine. Okay, so there's one taking off. Or is he landing? Gosh, it's bumpy, isn't it? Whee. This is the only problem in this country. When you get clear weather, generally it's quite bumpy. Not very often you get it clear, and a nice high cloud base and not much wind. Especially at this time of year, you kind of have to take your pick. Do you want the cloud base or do you want the high winds? What do you want to do? Okay, so he's vacated. There was one entering and backtracking, I'm sure he said. Okay, let's put that landing light on because we're inside the zone now. Golf Lima Bravo in the overhead descending to circuit height.
Golf Lima Bravo, roger.
Golf Lima Bravo, downwind 21 to land.
Okay.
Birds, woo!
Gamston Radio, this is helicopter Golf Juliet Romeo, Charlie Romeo, requesting airfield information and joining the instructions, please.
Got the Golf Juliet Romeo, Charlie Romeo, Gamston radio, hello again. The runway news 2 on, right hand circuit, QFE 1020.
21 right hand circuit, QFE 1020, Golf Charlie Romeo.
Okay, going to keep my speed up on approach because it's a bit blustery. We've got those trees there. Turning nice and early. Gosh, can't see a bloody thing. Okay, whoa! Fucking hell. That crosswind, Jesus Christ.
Gamston radio, fire 1, radio check.
32 knot crosswind up here. Not actually a crosswind, to be fair.
Roger, your readability is 5. Also holding at Alpha, waiting runway inspection. Any report of traffic?
Fire 1, question 1, question 5.
Roger, continue to hold at Alpha.
Lima Bravo, final 2 on to land.
Roger, the surface wind 270 degrees, 13 knots, maximum 22 knots.
13 knots, so 13 knot crosswind. That's okay, we're well within the limits, we're landing.
Foxtrot Zero, request pre-flight checks and the airfield data. 2 persons on board, local flight to the west.
Off Bravo Foxtrot Sierra Alpha Gamston Radio, good afternoon. At the runway news 21, right hand circuit, QNH 1023, to readability 5.
It's on right hand, 1023, 5 also, Golf Zero Alpha, okay?
Let's confirm 1023.
Roger, 1023, Golf Zero Alpha.
Thank you.
Come on, when you're ready.
Golf Zero Alpha, taxiing holding point Bravo.
Watch out.
Dum dum dum, here we are. Welcome back to Gamston. A bit floaty that, wasn't it? Never mind. We got it down. Golf Lima Bravo indicated.
Lima Bravo, okay.
So here we are then back at Gamston after what was probably not my best landing, but nonetheless a smooth one after a beautiful flight. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought to it in the comments below, and in the meantime, as always, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.